You'll never throw away a plastic bag again after you see this. All you need are a few old plastic bags, some scissors, and a piece of wire. That's it, let's start.
First, flatten your bag and cut it into strips about 2 inches wide. Now fold the whole stack back and forth, just like a paper fan.
Now trim the ends. Round them off for soft petals, or leave them pointed for a star shape. Keep pulling each layer up, one at a time, and go slowly so the plastic doesn't tear. Tie the middle tightly with a piece of wire and twist it to hold everything together. Here's the magic part. Gently peel the top layer up toward the middle. Keep pulling each layer up, one at a time. And go slowly so the plastic doesn't tear. Wrap the stem with green tape and add a little leaf so it looks like it came from a garden. Make a few more in different colors, and now you've got a bouquet that never wilts. Pop them in a jar, and they'll brighten up any corner of your home forever. From trash to treasure in under 10 minutes. If you loved this, don't throw your bags away. Hit subscribe, and I'll show you what else you can turn into treasure. See you in the next one.